You are going to love the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.